Hello. Well, if you've seen my video about all my phone holders, you see that I have several of them. But we keep trying until we find the best one for us, you know. And yes, I got a new one, and I want to share with you to see if it works better than mine. Nowadays, I use this one. It's a very good one because you put it here and it goes like it's magnetic, and you just press here to take it out. So I really like it. But there's one thing that I don't like much because my handlebar ain't straight, you know, it's a M type. The way I fix it, it's sometimes not so good. So I ordered a new one. It's the ones that we fix here. It's the same thing as this one, you know, this one's for the Garmin or whatever GPS you have. This mount piece to put on. And so will be a mount piece to put here, just like this one. I think that would be nice. Let's check it out. See, it's this little thing here that you fix on the handlebar, and then you have this support. You can put a GoPro, you can put a Garmin, you can put whatever you want. See, this is what I bought. This little one we're gonna fix on the handlebar, and it stays like this. And you can put everything that fits here, even my Insta 360 can fix here. So I'll have a lot more space to put things on. Okay, so this is what comes in the packet. This is what we're gonna put on the Brompton, okay? So how does it work? After we fix it on the Brompton, we put this here. If I use this mount, anything that has this socket, like a Garmin, okay, IGS port, a big Garmin, and if I place this here on the back of my phone case, okay, then I can put this one also, which is so cool. And the phone will be here, see? But that's not all. The reason I bought was because instead of using this, I can use some other mounts, okay? That's for the Garmin. If I can use this mount to place a Insta. So I can put a Insta in it. Or I even can use a GoPro. Check it out. So I can use a GoPro. So with the same mount, I can use GoPro, Garmin, Go-To, phone. So I thought it was cool. So let's put on the Brompton. Let's check it, see if it works. So let's grab Brompton 2 and take it out. Let me check this one. Is that the same? Yeah. It's the same size as the Seatpost. And by the way, let me grab something to mark here. So I'm gonna put in the same place that I took it out. So it'll be much easier to see exactly where it's supposed to put. Remember? Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. So we have to go towards the left. See? This way. Completely. Sometimes when it's too loose, if you do it like this, it doesn't work. So just hold it. Just hold it when you come back so you can take everything out. See? Yeah, I can do it by hand now. Okay. So just put it in the middle and tighten it. That's it. See, it's a little bit loose, so you're gonna put those plastic washer. Here are they, see? I think it's too much, so let's take one out. Yeah, see? Now it's tight. Okay, it's going in. So before I do adjust it, I'm gonna fix the handlebar. To do the final adjustment, I'll grab the torque table to see exactly what's the torque in it. Okay, the torque for this bolt here is 18 and mine goes only up to 15. So what I do is I'll go up to 15 and go a little bit more with the Brompton tools, and as soon as I can I go to a bike shop to fix this, to put in the right torque. Yeah, it's a very important place. And see, it's 15 already. Sometimes when it's hard to tighten or untighten it, I use this part here. I put the two next to something that I can, you know, pull out of it. So it makes easier to put some pressure on it. Okay, ready to ride. But I will go to a bike shop to put in the right torque because I think safety is better safe than sorry. So let's put our gadgets, our new gadgets. The gadgets aren't new, but the mount is new. I buy a new cover for my phone and I'll place this here and wait. And then I'll have my phone right in the middle, which is cool. And now we just place this here. Perfect. We can move down and up. And it's right in the center. Because sometimes when my phone's here, cannot really move it up. See? Be right in the middle. And the nice thing is that I can use here or here. Or I can use my phone here. So I'll have two places to fix whatever I need, and that's cool. So here it is. This is my everything mount. Yeah, I can mount anything that I want, almost everything in it, and it doesn't weigh much and gets very small. I don't have to take it out when I travel, so I like it. You're gonna ride with it, but not today. I'm so sorry. This week has been so many celebrations. Yeah, I'm still celebrating my birthday. I have a whole month of celebrations and it's so cool. And today is my mother's anniversary, wedding anniversary. So I'm so sorry. Next time I show you on the road, don't be mad at me, okay? It's just that this week's so short. And there's one more thing, a very cool thing. This week, we're gonna reach the 5,000 subscribers. Yeah, if you didn't subscribe yet, do it. Maybe you'll be the 5,000. And it's so cool. I love it. So I'm working on this video. And on this video, I'm gonna share with you the way I do the videos and how long does it take. It's a long time. So I hope you do like it. I really like this little thing. It's cool. It will help me a lot. The recordings and, you know, it'd be nice. It's always good to have one more point of view, you know. So, hope you do like it. And bye-bye. I know, if you didn't subscribe, subscribe. If you like it, thumbs up. And if you did like, The link for this little gadget, it's not a gadget, the link for this mount will be in the video description. Yes, in the video description, I always share with you a lot of links because I know how hard it is to find upgrades for our Brompton. So yes, the Argon grip is there. Hope you like it. Bye-bye. Oh wait, maybe you really like it? Give us super thanks. Okay, bye-bye.